Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This is my 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator, and today I got the VEVOR wheel chuck for it. So let's assemble it and then I'll tell you guys why you need one of these. Okay, this is the base, I believe. Let's see. Comes with all the hardware. Okay, let's assemble it now. This piece goes here. Pin goes through it. Now we need a washer and a cotter pin on both sides. Same thing on that side. Okay, so for the final piece, I'll rotate this. Washer. Oops. I'll get it. And the nut. Okay, the washer on this side. Nut. Okay, I'm going to put a block under this. Alright, now let's tighten this up. Alright, it's assembled. Let's try it out. Okay, it's assembled and ready to use. There are anchor points. You need to anchor this on the floor somewhere so it doesn't slide. So for now I just put a piece of 2x6 over there to hold it. And the only change I had to make here is bring this pin to the second hole to adjust it for the tire size that I have. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, that's how it looks. It's holding the bike pretty well, upright position. So why do you need something like this for your motorcycle? There are three reasons: for transportation, for maintenance, and storage too.